Hey y'all, I'm here with another Barbie unboxing, and so this is a new Barbie we've got here. So this is Barbie number 4. I've already dressed her, and I'm showing her what she came in. This is one of her outfits that she was dressed in, and I kind of just washed her up and I fixed her hair. I just put it in a little ponytail, you know. And yes, this is what she was wearing before. And so yeah, I found this lot. So let's see what we've got inside here. Let's see, we've got first we've got this Barbie body. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure what year she is. Looks maybe from the 70s. But look at her hands. Interesting. So comment below if you guys know which Barbie that is. So it's kind of cool. We also just have a lot of clothes here. Let's see what we've got. So first we've got this really cute little, it's really fun. I think it's like a skirt thing, right? Pretty. We've got some pants for Ken. Looks like they're inside out, but it's got a tiny little zipper there. Look at that. Yeah, it looks like they were been repaired a couple times. Anyway, we got some more pants. Let's look at some cute little, oh, here we go. This one's really pretty. So we've got this nice little vintage yellow dress. She wants to go out on the town. Nice little sheath. It looks like it needs buttons, huh? Can fix some buttons in there. But yeah, I love how it's made. The little gathering. Oh, there's some hair on it. What else do we got? Looks like we have this red this one is made by Mattel, and this is the red flare dress. So yeah, I really scored with this one, huh? This is really cute. Let's see what else we got. We got this cute little skirt right here. This one's really vintage too. This is by Mattel also. So, oh my god, you guys, I found some good ones. Let's see. This looks like some kind of bow tie. I don't know if that's for Barbie. Maybe it just goes around her waist or something. That's cute. I have to figure that one out. I think it's maybe a belt. Oh, look who we got here. You guys. She looks like Star Wars. She's a Star Wars hairstyle. So maybe she goes on that body, huh? Comment below if you know what doll that is. Looks like there's another doll in there, but let's save it. Oh my god, look. Wow. I really scored with all her. Wow, you guys. Here we go. That one's really nice. And look at this. The cute little jacket thing. Yeah, there's a little button here. Okay. It looks like it came, I got Miss Fashion Queen. Got Fashion Queen's outfit. And her hat. Yes, Fashion Queen. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Little Barbie bra. It's got pink and blue lace. That is so cute. It looks like it's ripped right here. I'll have to sew it later. And some more pants. They're like a velvet. Nice. Oh, I have another one of these. Nice. I really like this. This is like a Sunday morning, I think, outfit. Oh, these ones go together. So you've got this kind of striped tank top. I think that one goes underneath it. Yes, Barbie. We got a lot of good outfits here. And we got like this stained little pink skirt. It's okay. We can like dye it or whatever. We can put some lace on top and fix it. So the last couple things in this bag, not sure what that is. Oh, looks like some, oh wow. Those are some real Mattel undies. Very cool, very rare. Wow. We've also got another pair like that. Interesting. Oh, and a really cute little yellow dress. Another yellow dress with a bow. Wow, look at the bow. And this one's made similar to the first one. I'm sorry, I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but it has a tiny zipper, and look at all that stitching, y'all. Comment below if you know which one that is. It's a Barbie Mattel dress. So yeah, it has to have a name with it. So we have a couple more. I think we have some arms here. And our queen, is that Barbie? We got a new 70s Barbie head, y'all. Yes, queen. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, I think that's everything, y'all. Comment below if you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, oh, here's one more. That's cool, maybe for Ken, huh? Love it. Handsome Ken. Okay, y'all.